5 people sustained injury while one person lost his life during a fight over land dispute where they eventually brought out guns. According to a report, the incident occurred yesterday afternoon over land dispute at the adjoining area of Sangching village and Lungreifung Tang village under Shangsak police station in Ukhrul district. Additional district magistrate Ukhrul also ordered to put the area under BNSS under section 163. Police reported that Ramyun RK, aged 36, son of Ramlung RK from Sangching village, lost his life during the fight, while Arun RK, aged 36, son of Ramlung RK, sustained injury at his left chest. Joseph RK, aged 54, sustained injury at the right side of his head and at his left shoulder. Peter RK, aged 73, sustained injury at the back of his head. On the other side, Rejoice RK, aged 34, son of Moses from Lungreifung Tang village, sustained injury at his thigh and hand, while Ningsang RK, aged 60, sustained injury at his belly and head. The injured individuals were given first aids at Assam Rifles camp located at Shangshak. However, the people who sustained severe injuries were brought to Imphal for treatment. There has been no report about the reason of the incident till now. However, Additional District Magistrate Ukhrul has appointed Sub-Deputy Magistrate Ukhrul as Executive Magistrate to investigate about the incident. Ukhrul and Sangchuk Police Station personnel were also deployed at the area to prevent any further untoward incident.